Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to go over a couple of things that you're going to be completing for today. Today, you're just finishing the lesson from yesterday on the Coke and Mentos investigation. I'm just going to share my screen. Okay. Okay. So if we are going to start from the beginning, so this is the lesson from yesterday, and you should have completed slide 4. Either in school or at home. We gave you the testable question, and then you were identifying the variables. So these are some of the variables we identified. Our independent was the type of soda. The dependent is the soda remaining in the bottle, because that's what we're measuring. And then these are our constants. The number of Mentos, which was 7, we used 7. Our location, the speed of the release, the shape of the bottle, the amount of soda, the brand of soda, not the type, the brand, the temperature, and the flavor of Mentos. Those were all things that we kept the same to make sure that the experiment was valid. So after you complete your variables, you're moving on. We gave you research that you were using for your explanation in your hypothesis, okay? This is your hypothesis. If then format, this is how we would like it to be written. So it's always going to be if the IV, then your DV, okay? Showing cause and effect. And then because, just a quick explanation of what you think, why this would happen. Then you either did the experiment at home or you watched one of our videos, hopefully the second one because the first one didn't go so well, and you completed your data, okay? This is an example of the data we found. Each of the videos, we tell you the amounts remaining in the bottle, okay? For this class, it was 2,000 for orange, the diet soda was 1,380, and the regular soda was 1,560. This is our data. This is our quantitative data. Down here for your data analysis, we just want you to take this chart and explain what's happening. Okay, so you can explain qualitative, the orange soda the geyser did not go as high. The diet soda went much higher than both. That's qualitative, explaining what you saw using your observations. And then it asks you for quantitative data, and that's where you just relay these numbers, okay? So the diet cola had the least remaining in the bottle compared to the orange with 2,000, cola with 1,560. Therefore, the Diet Cola had the least remaining in the bottle. The geyser went the highest. So that's just a quick explanation. This is where you really should be at today, slide 8, which is your conclusion. Your conclusion is the claim, evidence, reasoning, the CER that we went over in class, okay? So this is just some prompts and some guiding questions and statements for you to follow. On slide 9, so this is what we want to be completed, okay? So we gave you the question, how does the type of soda affect the amount of soda remaining? Your claim, remember your claim is going to be your hypothesis, your statement, what you thought, okay? Now evidence, this is where you're going to back it up, okay? If your hypothesis was not correct, that's fine. Please don't change your claim to match the evidence, okay? So all you're going to say is evidence 1. This is where you give the numbers. Orange soda had blah, blah, blah. The geyser went higher here, okay? This is your pieces of evidence. And down here for your reasoning is where you're going to use the research to help explain why this happened, okay? Over here, it says need help, click here. This is a checklist that you could follow. Just click on it, it will open. And here's a rubric, okay? This rubric is how we will be grading your CER, okay? So I hope this helps. This will be completed by tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Tomorrow we will be doing a formal lab report. Thank you. Okay, all good.
Yeah, that's a big move.